Now we're going to make this really beautiful bridal headpiece. So the first thing that I'm going to do is take my Bowdabra bow wire, fold it in half, and lay it down into my Bowdabra and tuck it underneath. Now, in case you're not familiar with the Bowdabra, I just want to show you there are springs underneath here. So that allows it to adapt to the very sheer tulle that I'm going to use versus a really thick ribbon. So I don't have to worry about holding it because the Bowdabra acts as a pair of hands. So now I'm going to just lay this down into my Bowdabra, and I'm just going to let this sheet be loose over here. Then I'm going to take my thinner tulle, which is probably about 2.5 inches wide, and I'm just going to lay that in, and I'm going to just fold it, and I'm going to make 3 loops. And I'm just going to cut it right there. Now I'm going to take my sparkle ribbon that I have here, it's a tulle, and I'm just going to twist it and lay it in to make sure that the wrong side of the tulle is on the wrong side is on the inside of my loop. I'm going to fold that back. I'm just going to twist it, do exactly the same thing. So now all I'm going to do is make 3 more loops, and I'm going to take my Bowdabra wand and just scrunch everything. My Bowdabra's kind of sliding because this is a really slippery surface here. So now I'm going to take my my bridal pick, and I'm just going to lay that right down into the Bowdabra. Then I'm going to take my Bowdabra bow wire, bring it up here, hold my bow down really tight as I'm tying off, and then I'm going to bring it out, separate the ends, and bring it around to the back, and I'm going to tie a knot. Now, because this is the front of my bow here, what I'm going to do now is tie it onto my clip, and we're going to really secure it and wrap it around several times so it stays really secure. So I'm going to just kind of wind this around and bring it around several times until it's extremely secure onto the hairpiece. Do the same thing here. And then this time I'm going to bring it around, but I'm going to leave a little bit of extra here so I can pull this through and knot it there. I'm going to do the same thing again on both sides so that it's really, really, really secure. One more time. So it's real tight. Finish it up on the other side, and you have this absolutely beautiful headpiece. Please do me a favor and click the subscribe button below, and also like us at Bowdabra on Facebook.